Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In previous video I have shown you how to create and delete and put files or folders in folder that are created with reserved keywords of Windows, and I have also shown you how to delete those files and folders stored in their folder. If you have missed those videos, I will put it in I button or I will get the link in description box below so you can check it out. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So in my previous video I have told you that you can make folder with Windows reserved keywords and you can put any files or folders in that folders that will be secured and undeletable. Now you might have question in your mind, how can we make our normal files and folders safe and secure? So for that, let me show you the trick. For that we require a folder. So I have created a folder, my document, a document folder means document file, and a text file. So if we want to secure folders that has some important file, for example, if I put this my document file and xyz txt file in xyz folders, Ctrl plus C, and let me put it here. Let me just paste it. Now it has been pasted here. You can see it has been pasted here. So how to secure these xyz folders? For example, you have some important folder in this xyz folder and you don't want anyone to see it. So how to make it secure? For that, open command prompt. So how to open command prompt, you have seen in my previous video how to open it. For that, click Windows plus X. It will give a pop-up menu, means taskbar pop-up menu, and you have to select command prompt here. Don't select command prompt as admin. In this video we will select command prompt. Select it, command prompt window will pop up. Command prompt window has been pop up. It is now you can see it is already in C directory and C users Asus. My computer manufacturer brand is Asus, so it is in Asus. You might have Lenovo, HP, or your computer name, anything you have. So how to move to desktop directory? As our folder is in desktop directory, you can right click it to see the directory path. General tab, you can see our folder is in desktop directory. So how to get this desktop directory in command prompt? For that, nothing you have to do, just type cd desktop. Now it has moved to desktop directory. So if we do dir here, means dir stands for, it will give all the list of files and folders of your drive or selected folders, and cd stands for create directory, means it will go to that directory. So let me hit enter here. See, so many files are present in my desktop directory. Here xyz folder is here. You can see xyz directory and my document what file, my document, and xyz txt file is here. So if we want to make secure this xyz file, we have to type a code here. The code is CACLS. Make sure you type it correctly, otherwise it won't work. CACLS space, now folder name XYZ. Here my folder name is XYZ. You can use any folder you have in your PC that you want to make it secure. After typing XYZ space, now you have to /p and space, now everyone. You have to type everyone here, everyone colon n. Here n stands for no and p stands /p stands for protected, means our this xyz folder will be protected. And you guys might be thinking, what is the full form of CACLS? So CACLS stands for create access control list. Wait. So here if you click here enter, you will get an option. Are you sure you want to secure this folder? You have to click yes. Why? And you will get a message process directory is desktop xyz. So now let us see if we can open this folder or not. Double click it. For that you have to refresh it to make it work, otherwise sometimes it won't work. So now if you have seen, you get a error warning message here. You don't currently have permission to access this folder. Continue. If I press continue, you will get a pop-up menu, edit security, click it yes. You will get again error message here to close. So you can't open this folder now. So now you have made a secure folder here. So you might have been thinking how to make a file secure or any particular file secure. So let me show you the process. For that, nothing you have to do, just copy this code here, means command CACLS. I have brought with upward arrow key, and how to bring that I have told you in my previous video. And just we have to rename this folder name. Here we have to within the symbol we have to type this xyz folder name. Currently if I show you, this xyz folder is opening in a normal way. Now let me make it secure one. For that, type it xyz name. See, here it is xyz.txt, xyz.txt, and click enter. And are you sure you want to secure it? Click it yes. Y means yes. Process directory xyz.txt. So let me now open it. See, you get another error message here. You don't have permission to open this file. See the owner of the file or an administrator to obtain permission. Okay, to close it. Nothing, you can open it here. So let me secure this my document folder also. For that, just nothing you have to do. Here the file name my.docx. Make sure you type the file extension correctly, otherwise it won't work. You will get an error message. Here, are you sure? Yes, I am sure. To secure it, why? The process directory my document. Now if you click it, what file you have in this my document folder, it is secured now. See, you get a error message here. Okay, you can't see anything here because this document file is now secure. Now you can see both these files and folder are secured now. Now the question is how to open this file and folder again, so that nothing, just we have to put CACLS and some change in the command. So to open this folder normally again, no, here. So for that, just bring that upward command here, CACLS, just edit it. To unlock this xyz folder, just put xyz and key. You don't have to change in anything in p letter. Here everyone you will have to remove n and you have to put f. Here I am putting f and here I have used n. N means no, n, f means full control. So now click enter. You will get a message, are you sure you want to unlock it? Click it yes. Yes, process directory, see user and xyz. Now let us see, is it unlocked? See, it is now unlocked normally. My document and xyz txt folder is here. So let me close it. So how to unlock this my document and txt file? For that same process you have to repeat. Here CACLS instead of xyz you have to put this xyz txt and my document file name my.docx, sorry, x and p. Here it is, full control permission. Hit enter. Are you sure you want to unlock? Yes, I want to unlock it. You will get a processed file. Now let me see. It will open without any error message or warning message here. So I don't have anything written in my document file, so let me just close it. Now if we try to open this xyz txt, it is still secured. So let us unlock it. For that nothing you have to do, just put the file name xyz dot txt. Txt means notepad file, text file, and here full control permission, yes, processed file xyz. Now let me close this command prompt because I have shown you how to lock and unlock it. For that exit and enter, it will close. So that's all for this video. I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked it, then make sure you turn the gray like button to blue, and if you find my content interesting, do subscribe my YouTube channel for more amazing content. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you guys for watching.